Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share WhatsApp status with your friends. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here tap on updates option. Then you guys can find out my status option. If you tap on here, then you have to select a photo, or you guys can take a photo. You guys can also share videos as your WhatsApp status. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can also add a caption and then tap on here. So this is how you guys can share your WhatsApp status with your friends. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.